I don't know about you, but I think the most dependable way to generate wealth is to have the ability to turn advertising into profit. But how do you do it if you don't know what advertising's actually working? Well, Kartra solves that problem with its built-in analytics. With Kartra's analytics, you're never uncertain about what's working and when it's working. Come on in and let's take a tour and see how it works.
No marketing, sales, membership, or autoresponder platform is complete without good analytics. Kartra has the best embedded in every single feature. When selling products through Kartra, not only can you look through the individual transactions, but you can find numbers for your sales, refunds, and revenue. If you decide to create an affiliate program, there's an additional analytics area dedicated just to affiliate and JV broker sales, where you'll also find statistics on how well that is growing your sales. When you create campaigns, it's also important to see whether they are performing to your expectations. In Kartra, you'll see how your lists, broadcasts, and sequences are growing and changing. With any page you build in the Kartra Page Builder, you'll see how many visitors you've received, how many personal goals you've met, and how much revenue you've made through those pages. If you built a membership site, you can find out not just whether you are retaining subscribers, but how active they are within the site itself. The Kartra video analytics are particularly powerful. Here, you can find out if your visitors not only played or completed watching a video, but if they proceeded through your call to action, and if not, where they stopped watching. This is invaluable data, so you can not only tighten down your pitch at the right time, but also follow up with those who did not finish watching to a crucial moment. Finally, if you create a help desk, it is important to see when and where your customers are most actively searching for help. Even more important, if you build a team of agents, it is essential to know how well they are doing. Kartra's analytics will give you the insights you need to make crucial decisions regarding customer satisfaction. No matter how you use Kartra to grow your business, you can rest assured that you'll be doing so with the best knowledge available. Let's walk through a couple of examples of how fast and easy it is to see how your business is doing using Kartra analytics. Want to see how your most recent email has performed? In My Campaigns, go to Analytics and click Broadcasts. You've got two ways to see how your email has performed. At the top of the page is the Graph section. You can use the drop-down menus at the top to narrow down the data being displayed to just the broadcast and the day you want to see. Displayed as graphs are your numbers for recipients, open ratio, click-through rate, goals, which you can customize in your broadcast settings, and revenue for that broadcast. You can use the little colored dots to choose which info to display, or you can choose Compare All. The list section at the bottom of the screen, under the Graph section, is a list of all your broadcasts. You can narrow down this list if you want to using the filters at the top of the page, but your most recent email will be right at the top of the list. You can immediately see your opens, clicks, goals, etc. expressed as either a total number or as a percentage. Viewing your analytics is just as simple across the whole platform. For example, how did your product sell yesterday? Find out by going to My Products and click Analytics. In the three drop-down menus, select the product funnel, the specific product you want to look at, and the timeline you wish to view. Scroll down to see how your product did. Your conversion percentage is listed in the last column at the bottom right of the page in the list section, which is below the graph section. Need to see the details of the transactions contributing to your analytics? No problem. In the list section, when you see one of these numbers in blue, click on it, and it will bring up the list of specific transactions for those numbers. That's it! Easy, wasn't it? Kartra's analytics can display a lot of powerful information. This information usually shows the overall strength of your campaigns and products, so in order to get more specific details, we'll need to perform a couple searches. Let's start by looking at the analytics for your lists. Here, you can choose a specific list and time frame to pull up statistics for, but I'd like to specify customers who are on 2 lists and have purchased at least one of my 2 products. First, open up your leads and create a search for those who have purchased the first product at any price level. Then additionally add "or" those who have purchased the second product at any price level. Shown in the search is every lead that has purchased one of these 2 products. Select all of them by clicking this bubble and use the Action menu to add them to a new list. I want to remove those who are not on the 2 lists I need to study, so another search is made, but this time for leads who are not subscribed to either list. Select all the leads again and use the Action menu to unsubscribe them from this list. Now, the list only has leads who have purchased either product and are on both lists that I specified. Returning to the analytics area, I can now open up analytics for the new list I created. Kartra provides specialized and precise results for exactly what you need to know.
Now, as cool as all of that was, it's no wonder that people are absolutely going crazy to start using Kartra. And I've got good news for you and a little bit of bad news. So here's the good news. Everything that you just saw, that's literally just the tip of the iceberg. Kartra does so much more. As a matter of fact, it completely eliminates the need for you to have any other marketing tools at all. And on top of that, it doesn't cost an arm and a leg either. As a matter of fact, some people might even say that it's cheap. But the bad news is it's not available to the public yet, but it will be soon. And when it becomes available, the incredible pricing that we're able to offer right now to people who get in early is most likely going to go up. That's why, if you're watching this and you like Kartra and you want to give it a try, you should go ahead and click on the Request Invite button that's below. When you do, you'll be placed at the front of the line and you'll be made aware of when Kartra is open long before the public ever has a chance to see it, thus virtually guaranteeing that, number one, you can actually get it, and number two, when you do get it, you can get it at the unbelievable pricing. So if everything you've seen looks good to you, go ahead, request an invitation right now, and when your invitation is extended to you, take action and become a Kartra user. We're 100% sure you're absolutely going to love it. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it as much as all of the Kartra team enjoyed putting it together for you, and we look forward to seeing you in the Kartra user members area soon.